welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be guiding you on how to make text bigger in your Snapchat. In this guide we will walk you through the steps to enlarge your text in your snaps. So without delaying any more further, let's get into the video. Here, the first step that I want you to do is open the Snapchat on your device. Then after you have your Snapchat opened, swipe down on your screen. After that, tap on the AA written icon which is present on the bottom right. And there you will now be able to adjust the text size in your Snapchat as you want. You can even set the size of your text same to all the apps just like your Snapchat by tapping it on all apps. So that's it. Now you have successfully made your text size larger in your Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.